Good day. My name is Gian Carl M. Canencia. I'm from the Department of Radiologic Technologies, Section A6, a first year student. So today we're going to interview a exercise enthusiast. So without further ado, let's go. So good afternoon. Your name is.
I am Earl Sander Roblapong and I'm from Rehab Sciences Department.
So Earl, do you exercise or go to the gym regularly?
Yes, I exercise and go to the gym regularly for the past 2 years now.
So exercise today, dugay na po.
Dugay na din. Dugay na.
So as a exercise enthusiast, naday ko'y tulo ka question ni mo na ipangata na.
Okay.
Ready na ka?
And then,
So first is, what type of lifestyle do you have at present and why do you choose this kind of lifestyle?
I go to the gym regularly na din for the past 2 years. Ang akong lifestyle is like weightlifting sa gym din. And I have been doing it consistently na for like 2 years, 3 years.
So you'll be lifting. So second question is, what was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity and what keeps you motivated?
So una mo good, I was bullied. Okay, fat di ako. Yeah. And naka-realize ko nga, na to yung turning point ako para like low physical fitness. Change ako physical appearance ko. So, pag 2 months, nag-do ko cardio din. The rest kaya nag-gym na ko. So, about 2 years. Yeah, I'm happy with the result now.
So far, okay ra?
Okay.
So last question is, as an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging in physical activity?
So, kung may engage mo ba ito physical activity, kaya challenging, kaya tungkol sa muna listen consistently, disiplina sa needed of discipline and consistency. So, start slow lang. Start slow if you want to engage in a physical activity, then slow progress is still a progress naman sa marathon.
So it took you 3 years or
2 years.
2 years para yan ang result. Marathon. Thank you. Reflecting on our conversation, I've learned that adopting a physically active lifestyle can come from a variety of motivation, whether it's personal health, a significant life event, or simply a desire to feel better daily. It's clear that consistency and finding joy in physical activities are key to maintaining such a lifestyle. For those who are hesitant, start small, and finding a form of exercise that is enjoyable can make a huge difference. Physical activity not only benefits the body, but also the mind, contributing to overall well-being. That will be all. Thank you.